This video describes the steps of creating a pleasant-looking bracket that holds an outdoor small solar panel to a nearby rain gutter downspout. These are the two slider joints. We have the slider joint of the C-clamp on the downspout. Animate that. So you can see it locks into place right here at this enlarged area. And this is, of course, the downspout of the gutters. And then we have another joint here called the slider bracket on the C-clamp, and we'll animate that. And you can see how this bracket slides down over this C-shaped component here, locking it around the downspout. And of course, this surface here is where the solar panel is attached. Anyway, that's the animation of the two joints. Here are the general steps to create each of the three components. The downspout provides the base for subsequent components. It's made from a rectangular sketch. Then the sketch is transformed into a 3D body with the press pull tool. The bracket component starts with a sketch of a hollow rectangle with side cleats that wrap around the downspout. The pull tool makes it into a 3D body. The third and final component is the mounting bracket for the solar panel. Here the component is shown completed. It starts as a basic flat platform with rails on each side. A center circle is added, and that center circle is added as a sketch to locate the support cylinder. An offset plane is added relative to the sun's position in the sky. Lofting the base sketch's circle to the tilted plane creates the support cylinder. A sketch is added representing the receiving end, where the new bracket will attach to the bracket that came stock with the solar panel itself. Screw holes are added, which completes the model. Thank you for watching. Remember, get inspired and seize the day, and I hope to see you next time.